She like is almost all the way out.
Yeah.
What do you think, August?
I don't know.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. He's like, come on.
Mom, do birds lay eggs?
Do they lay eggs?
Like rabbits.
Yeah, all birds lay eggs.
But can they just hatch out whenever they want?
No, when they're ready is when they hatch out. Look, there's Mama over in the yard. She's like, looking for some worms. She will find some little bugs or something delicious for her babies. And then she'll bring them up here and feed her bigger ones. I don't know if she's feeding this guy yet.
Mint.
I want him to pop his head out and waiting. I'm like, where are you guys?
Mommy, guess what?
His head's stuck in the shell.
Tomorrow, is it a good day for like one of those, like, you said one was gonna taste like peppermint patty, like those popsicles, like those white chocolate popsicles?
I know. Are you talking about the coconut popsicles I made?
Yeah.
Yes. I think they will be ready by maybe this afternoon. They'll be
I see one of his
He
foot.
has to get that off.
His head.
He's so cute. Oh, you did it, buddy.
Yeah,
You did it. Now his mom just has to come get that egg out of here.
I want to see that.
She didn't want to take the egg off of him when he wasn't ready. So
Can you please lay the phone here so we can? Can you please lay the phone here so we can see when she takes the phone out?
Well, I don't know if we'll be able to see it.